Welcome to Learn with Raja. This channel is created for everyone without any restrictions. There are no gender bias and no educational required. Even if you are starting with zero knowledge, you can achieve greatness. You are most welcome here. At Learn with Raja, we focus on English learning from basic to advanced. We'll cover topics from basic to advanced, including daily basic vocabulary and essential communication skills. General knowledge and practical learning provide easy explanations for beginners, making complex ideas simple and accessible. Our main goal is to make learning simple, practical, and enjoyable, especially for those who feel hesitant or lack confidence in English. If you truly want to learn, grow, and improve yourself, this channel is for you. Yarhab app has subscribers. App will start a very valuable basic English language course for everyone. Join us, support us, and share this channel with everyone you want to educate and uplift.